Good evening, boys and girls. My name is Rashid Toure, and today we're going to solve for the greatest common factor of 30 and 24. Our first step, we will find all the factors for 30. You guys are going to help me find the factors. So what's our first one? 1. What about, for both of these ones, what would be the second one? Since they're both even numbers, I call on you. 2, that's correct. Is 3 one of them for 30? Nice, I'm very proud of you, you're doing good. Number 3. What about 24? Good job, guys. Okay, let's worry about mainly 30 right now, and we'll get back to 24 later. What's the next one? What's 30 divided by 6? I'm giving you guys a hint. What's 30 divided by 6? 5. Nice, class. 5. And the one that I just explained just now is 6. Correct. Way to catch on. You guys are moving a lot faster. You guys understand the material. What about our next one? Is it divisible by 9? No. What about 10? I'll call on you to answer that question. What about 10? That's correct. Number 10. So, what is our next number? What's 30 divided by 2? 15. So what will be our number, the number itself, 30. That's great. Now, let's continue on with finding all factors for 24. Is 24 divisible by 4? Yes. Similar to 30, is it divisible by 6? Yes. 24 divided by 6 is 4, so it would be 6. What will be my next number? Is this 7? No, it's not 7. 24 cannot be divided by 7. What about 8? I'll call on you. What about 8? Nice. I see you're getting better and better by the class. I'm very happy to see that. What are the other numbers? 10? No, it's not divisible by 10. 11? Wrong again. I'll let you try one more time. What is the next number after 8? 12. Good job. 24 divided by 12 is 2. So what is my next number? The number itself, 24. So these are all factors for 30, all factors for 24. So now we have to, let's try using the prime method to find our prime factors. For 30 and 24. So what are some factors that we could use that have been simplified that are in their prime right now? Is 2 one of them for 30? 2 is a prime number, yes. 2 is well simplified. What about 3? I'll call on you. What about 3? Can it be broken down into anything else? Nice. See, now you're understanding how to do this. 3 is one of them. What about 6 for 30? No, 6 is not a prime number because it can be broken down to 3 and 2. But what about 5? 5 is well and truly broken down. Sorry about that, class. I'm trying to write this down so you can get a better view of what you are looking at. Our prime numbers, as I've always explained, are 2, 3, which other one? And 5. What about for 24? I want you guys to look what are the prime numbers that we have listed that are considered prime numbers. And that is a universal rule that you see based on all the factors that we have given out and we laid out in the previous step. Correct. 2 and 3. Now I'm going to test you to see if you guys understand. Is 4 a prime factor? No, 4 can be further broken down into 2 and 2. So now we have our prime factors for 30 and 24 with 2 and 3 for 24 and 2, 3, and 5 for 30. Now our next step, we have to find a common prime factors. And those are what? What are the common prime factors between 30 and 24? We look at the previous step of our prime factors that are already laid out. What numbers do they have in common? Check. What numbers do you see? I'm going to call on you. Nice, good job. 2 and 3. So how come 5 isn't a common prime factor? Because 30 is only divisible by 5 and not 24 as we listed in the first step. Nice, class. So our common prime factors will be 2 and 3. We can use these numbers to solve for our greatest common factor. To solve our greatest common factor, we have to multiply the 2 prime factors. 2 times 3. Therefore, class, our greatest common factor for 24 and 30 is 6. Well, that is all for today, class. I just want to say I like how you guys are approaching my questions when I ask you. Day by day, I see you guys improving, and it's making me very proud, and it makes me feel good about myself that I am helping you guys out. I'm sure whatever test or exam that you have and is related to this material, I trust that you guys will do very well on it. Thank you for having me.